Now we're moving on to our honesty outliners and we're fading his sideburns. We're creating our first guideline at a rainbow shape and making sure we move on to our no guard all the way open, creating our second guideline. Remember to slightly close the lever to erase that initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the one guard all the way open and create our second guideline. We are following that same rainbow shape. Using this guard and the lever is going to prepare us for a zero guard. Here I'm using my no guard all the way open to flick out as much as possible. Since we're done with the taper and we're ready here, we're going to use our no guard all the way open to start to blend in the beard. Now we're switching over to our one guard all the way open and we're continuing to blend the sideburn into the taper. Since we're done fading the beard, we can move on to our honesty outliners and make them as crispy as possible. You want to make sure not to press too hard here because you could bite them with the teeth of the trimmer. Moving on to his C-cup, we're starting our way at the bottom and working our way to the top arch using our corners over honesty outliners. We're also making sure not to press too hard because you could bite them with the teeth of the trimmer. Now we're lining up the left side C-cup. Again, make sure to use your corners and don't press too hard. Again, we're using our no guard all the way open to blend in his sideburns. Here we're taking our measurements and then we're making our first guideline across the head and then making it connected to the sides. Always remember, you're grabbing the hair with the comb, feeding it into your fingers, holding it tight, and then cutting it with your shears. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible. But before we do that, we're going to apply. You also want to remember to keep the skin as tight as possible and stretch it as much as possible, and keep your blade at a 45-degree angle just so you don't cut your client. Here we're applying a hot towel and we're making sure we press it into his face so he could feel the heat. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you made it this far into the video, please leave a comment down below. I'm 100% gonna reply to it.